Alright, let's do some theoretical physics with some, let's do the Möbius strip, okay? So if you take a piece of paper, right, and you fold it around like that, you have a circle, okay? And if you take it and turn it just on the other side there, right, and you want to get a piece of tape. So now you have a Möbius strip, okay? It has an outside and it has an inside, okay? All right. Then you take a pen, marker like this. Okay, you're gonna draw a line, and you're only gonna stay on one side. And it ends up, it's on both sides. Right? So it's continuous. Infinity. Okay. And so, what if time flows like that? Right? In a Möbius strip. Okay? And say you were to take time and you were to cut that time in half. Right? You're just going to make a little snip there, and then you're going to cut along the line. Okay? Just follow the line all the way around. Okay? And so, cut along the line there. Alright? With your strip. And look what you got. And it has expanded. Right? And so, what if through quantum particles, that's how the universe is expanding, right? Through quantum entanglement. So, like the Einstein-Rosen bridge. So, if you have one particle that's entangled with another particle, and if they're connected through wormholes, right? And those wormholes are expanding Möbius strip style, right? They're splitting down the middle of it, that I did along that line, and the universe is expanding in that way, then there will be a point where we went from that smaller Möbius strip and we cut it in half, right? Which would be like the half-life of energy. And so if the half-life of energy follow along a Möbius strip style, right, then there would be an horizon to the universe, right? Because we did take it from one state and it expanded into this, right? And then what if it has an area where then it breaks? And then maybe that's the Big Bang. So then, all right, we break it. We got that there. We turn that over. It's a little loopier of one, but if you draw a line around that and cut that again, then you pull it apart, expand even bigger. And then you draw that line, you cut it again. And so what if at the particle level, at the quantum level, that's what the particles are doing. They're Möbius stripping themselves bigger and bigger until all the energy that is coming out of them is no longer there. And so the Big Bang, and then it starts all over again. Starts at one particle, and that's how it goes. I mean, because obviously the Earth isn't flat, right? It's a circle. And if you think about like a ball of clay, you're rolling up a ball of clay, right? That's the most likely place it's going to go, especially if you're randomly rolling it around, right? So that'll become a circle. So planets are circles, right? So we would imagine that the universe is a circle, right? It's a bubble expanding. But what if it expanded like that, right? If it's expanded that way particle by particle, well, how would they do it? Maybe they're entangled by black holes. Maybe it's dark matter. Maybe it's God. Maybe it's a cat. Ouch. Not fast like that.